very quickly. We're about 3 or 4 miles away from where they currently have a severe thunderstorm watch out. I mean, the Holiday Inn Express is in the southern part of Winston-Salem in North Carolina. As you can see over there, it don't look too chipper. We drove through a pretty massive rainstorm between Durham and Greensboro, and this storm is absolutely rumbling around. It looks vicious. We're under this watch for another, it's currently 6:45, we're under it for another 15 minutes. It's the eastern half of the county, so it's close enough. I'm not going out any further. Moving in that cloud up there, look at it, booming over. Big flashes of lightning. I'm going to get indoors in a minute. I'm not that brave.